I am a fifth-year PhD student in the Industrial and Operations Engineering department. I started focusing on logistics and supply chain, seeing how things got moved in a supply chain. But research doesn't live in a bubble. It has real-world impact. And I kind of wanted to study that other part as well, kind of understand what is the ramifications of the models that I built to the people and society.
Our students come from almost every unit in the university. They are graduate students who are interested in and care about the relationship between science, technology, and public benefit.
I'm a third year in the neuroscience graduate program. But I wanted hands-on training in policy from people who study policy. And that was really unique to Michigan. To be able to take classes at Ford is pretty cool. I didn't have that opportunity at other schools.
Students realize, especially today, how important science, technology, and science and technology policy are. And they want to be trained to make better policy that benefits society and serves the public interest and serves social justice goals. So our graduate certificate program is essentially designed to do those things.
Policy can't be created in isolation just by experts. We need a wide array of voices to create it. Everyone brings a unique perspective, something that I would have never even thought of. And I think that's really the value in STPP.
In the STPP program, students learn how values, politics, and policy shape science and technology. They are trained in how to write for policy audiences and how to also speak to policy audiences.
There's a great need now for the people with this kind of expertise. We're just trying to create a bigger lane for people to drive down as they move into this type of work.
Our students go out into the world after completing their certificates. They are working in the offices of congressional representatives. They're working in Washington.
I want to work at the intersection of technology policy, where I'm able to do the important analysis and then come up with those strategic policy recommendations.
What I know for sure is that I want to be able to be in a position where my work can have direct impact into society, and I think that connection with public policy is the right path.
Because of STPP, I have a whole other skill set that I can tap into. I hope to always use policy in advocacy specifically, especially for patients or for research, for funding, for everything related to science. I know that I'll always have policy as a part of my career.